여러분 안녕하세요. 자, 오늘은 let's take a look at this pattern. 어서, 아서. So, therefore. 어서, 아서 is used after a verb or an adjective to express a cause or reason for the situation that will be said in the second clause. 자, 여기 example이 있는데요. 교수님 연구실을 잘 못 찾아서 늦었습니다. This part is the first clause and this part is the second clause. 그래요. 근데 this first clause is the reason for the second clause. 그래요. 교수님 연구실, professor's office 잘 못 찾아서 so I could not find the professor's office. 늦었습니다. So I'm late. Because of this reason, this happened. 그런 거죠. Please remember, we always say in this order. In English, you may be able to say like, I'm late because I could not find the professor's office. 그렇죠. 그러면 you can put the reason in the back. But in Korean sentence, we have to say the reason first. And then we talk about the consequence. 그래요. 자, when you connect two sentences of a cause or reason and the result or consequence, the conjunction 그래서 so, therefore can be used. So this 어서, 아서 is originally from 그래서, this conjunction 그래서. You can combine 그래서 and the verb or the adjective of the first clause in the form of 어서, 아서. 그래요. 자, 그러면은 비가 와요. It is raining. 그래서 so 집에 있어요. I'm staying home. 그렇죠? 잘 보시면 if you take a look at these two sentences closely, this is the reason. It's raining. And this is the consequence. I'm staying home. 그렇죠? So we combine them into like this. 비가 와서 집에 있어요. What's the dictionary form of 와요? 그럼 오다. 그렇죠? 오다. And then you add 아서. 그래요? 와서. So if you know this 어요 아요 form, then you can simply replace 요 with 서. 그러면 돼요. 비가 와서 집에 있어요. 저는 한국 음악을 좋아해요. 그래서 한국어를 배워요. I like Korean music, so I'm learning the Korean language. So this is the reason and this is the consequence. 저는 한국 음악을 좋아해서 한국어를 배워요. So 좋아하다 is the dictionary form, but you can simply replace 요 with 서. 한국 음악을 좋아해서 한국어를 배워요. So because I like Korean music, so 한국어를 배워요. I'm learning the Korean language. There are occasions when we have to use 어서, 아서. When you say thanks or sorry, the reason for thanks or sorry should be expressed in this pattern. 늦어서 죄송합니다. 늦다 그러면 to be late. 죄송하다 그러면 I'm sorry. 그렇죠? 그래서 늦어서 죄송합니다. Please memorize this expression. 늦어서 죄송합니다. This is a kind of fixed expression. 늦어서 죄송합니다. Thank you for teaching me. 그러면 가르쳐 주셔서 감사합니다. 가르쳐 주다 그러면 to teach for someone 감사합니다. Thank you. This is the reason you taught me, so thank you. 그렇죠? 가르쳐 주셔서 감사합니다. So 죄송합니다, 감사합니다. Should be preceded by this structure. 어서, 아서. 예, 감사합니다. 어서, 아서, 죄송합니다. Please remember this clearly. The past tense suffix at, cannot be used with 어서, 아서 even when you talk about a past event. 자, 보세요. 머리가 아팠어요. So my head ached. I had a headache. 그래서 so 약을 먹었어요. I took medicine. So this is about something happened in the past. 그래요. 근데 머리가 아파서 약을 먹었어요. We don't put tense here. We don't say 머리가 아팠어서 약을 먹었어요. 그러면은 it sounds a little weird. 그래요. 그래서 머리가 아파서 약을 먹었어요. Because also as a structure is always talking about one time frame, so you don't have to mark the time twice. 그래서 머리가 아파서 약을 먹었어요. The tense is marked here. 약을 먹었어요. I took medicine. 추웠어요. It was cold. 그래서 집에 있었어요. So I was at home. 추웠어서 집에 있었어요. No. Simply 추워서 집에 있었어요. So think about the present tense form 추워요. 그렇죠? And then replace you with 서. 그러면은 you can get this form easily. 추워서 집에 있었어요. To answer a question that is asking for a reason, the second clause can be omitted because it is obvious from the context. 자, someone just asked you this question. 왜 한국어를 배워요? So why are you learning the Korean language? So you may be able to answer like this. 한국 음악을 좋아해서 한국어를 배워요. Then this part is the reason and this part is the consequence. I like Korean music, so I'm learning the Korean language. 그렇죠. You can simply answer like 한국 음악을 좋아해서. This part is the reason. And then just use the sentence ending marker 요 이러는 거야. 그래서 한국 음악을 좋아해서요. Because I like Korean music. 그렇죠. So you don't have to say this part because it is clear from the context. 그렇죠. Okay, 어서, 아서 is one of the most frequently used structures in Korean sentences. 그렇거든요. Yeah, this is the very basic. Yeah, please repeat this part many times if you don't understand this structure well. 자, 그러면 여러분 감사합니다.